As part of Operation Sindoor and in line with India's resolute stand against Pakistan's state-sponsored cross-border terrorism, the government is rolling out a high-stakes diplomatic offensive. 7 all-party parliamentary delegations led by senior members of parliament from across the political spectrum will visit strategic partner nations, including members of the United Nations Security Council. The United Front includes prominent leaders like Shashi Tharoor, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Supriya Sule and Kanimori, a signal of national unity in the face of Pakistan-sponsored terror. The goal: to rally global consensus, push for decisive anti-terror action and spotlight India's security concerns on the world stage. It is also pertinent to note that senior Congress MP Shashi Tharoor will be leading the Indian outreach to the United States of America.
A very great honor. As a citizen, being called upon to serve the nation at a time of crisis is a matter of a duty for all of us. At the same time, for me, it is an honor that I've been asked to lead the delegation. And I look forward very much that when my services are required by the nation, I should not be found wanting, accepting the kind invitation of the government.
बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम जहाँ कहीं भी गवर्नमेंट हमको भिजा रही है, क्योंकि ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से है, इसमें तो कोई पार्टी एफिलिएशन नहीं होगा, ना रहना चाहिए। हमारे मुल्क में आतंकवादी वाक़यात हो रहे हैं, तो ज़ाहिर है उस पर हम तमाम को जाकर उनको बताना पड़ेगा।
But the unity seems to fracture just hours after the announcement. The Congress party has revealed its own list of MPs that it had submitted to the government, which included Anand Sharma, Gaurav Gogoi, Syed Nasir Hussain and Amrinder Singh Raja of Waring, conspicuously excluding Shashi Tharoor. The move drew immediate fire from the BJP, calling the Congress pick intriguing, questionable and truly shocking. As India steps onto the global stage with a united voice against terror, this diplomatic offensive signals more than just an outreach. It is a message of the nation's resolve, unity and leadership.